Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Gemini in your Gmail account. So now you can also use Gemini, which is the AI model of Google, inside your Gmail account, and then use Gemini to write draft replies, to summarize emails or get information from an email, and so on and so forth. So if you want to use Gemini in Gmail, you have to make sure that you have upgraded to a Gemini Advanced plan. It's a paid subscription, 20 USD per month, but you can upgrade for 2 months to Gemini Advanced for free. If you don't know how to do that, I have another tutorial on my YouTube channel that you can check out on how to upgrade. But once you have upgraded to Gemini Advanced, you will have access to Gemini in your Gmail account and in your Google Sheets and Google Docs and Google Slides as well. I have other tutorials on how to use Gemini on those platforms as well. But now let's see how to use Gemini in Gmail. So as you can see, I've opened up the newsletter from Ryan Holiday, and you can use Gemini in Gmail by clicking on this Gemini icon here. And as you can see, Gemini in Gmail is here to help you write and refine messages based on the context and quickly summarize conversations. And we also get some prompt starters here. So let's say suggest a reply. So if you have a long email which you have to reply, you can ask Gemini to suggest you a reply. So let's try this one. And here are a few options we received from Gemini. Thanks for sharing your story. I'm glad you're recovering well. I agree, it's important to take breaks and listen to our bodies, and so on and so forth. What's this email about? Let's see this one. And for some reason this is not working in Gemini, this kind of what's this email about. What is the main idea of this newsletter? Let's try that one. And we get the main idea of the newsletter is that overworking and pushing oneself past limits can lead to negative consequences. So as you can see, you can start using Gemini to learn more about a long email, to suggest a reply to an email you received, and a lot more. So you can start experimenting with Gemini in Gmail. Hope you found this tutorial useful. So all in all, this is how you can use Gemini in your Gmail. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to the custom GPT database and other free ChatGPT and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, custom GPTs, ChatGPT plugins, and other AI software, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials, and also make sure to subscribe because we have more tutorials coming up.